Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 Constituent Assembly members. In this particular episode, we will speak on Lakshmi, Kanta, Maitra. He was born on 23rd of July 1895 at Narayanganj, which in the present day is in the Bangladesh. He completed his undergraduate course at Dhaka Government College. He obtained law degree from Calcutta University Law College. He was elected to the Constituent Assembly on Congress ticket from West Bengal. He spoke on various issues like he wanted Sanskrit to be the official and national language of India. He was of opinion that the right to freedom of religion did not violate secularism. He spoke on the issue of preventive detention. He spoke in the assembly that the work of assembly should be completed at the earliest. We'll just read what he said. On 24th of July 1947, quote, "Sir, I do not want to make a speech. I want to suggest that the pace at which we are moving is very slow. At this rate, I am afraid we won't be able to stick to the timetable. I suggest that now that we are discussing only the principles of constitution, speeches may be confined to the particular clause or amendments under the discussion and not touch the entire field of the Indian Union Constitution." Unquote. So it was his concern that the work should be completed at the earliest so that the time frame can be achieved. He passed away on 25th of July 1953. We are grateful for his contribution in making the Constitution of India. Thank you.